Hey guys, it's Rob with Iconium Builders. I'm over here at Helen Filenkos' house. We had just renovated her kitchen, and while we were doing that, she had told us that she remodeled her bathroom, her master bathroom, the shower specifically, about 2 years ago, and they were having problems with it. So went ahead and took a look at it. This is Helen over here. Hey Helen.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm just fine, thank you.
Doing good. So you told me that about December 2019, correct?
Yes.
You had this shower redone, and the guy said he could do a curbless shower, but soon thereafter you had problems with the shower, correct?
Specifically, yes, we have a lot of leakage. Of water flowing out into the bathroom instead of into the shower in that direction that it's supposed to be going.
Yeah.
And then ultimately we're seeing mold. And
Go ahead.
And it seemed that there was a section here that was constantly holding water on the left side.
Right about here?
Yes. Those two tiles, those two sections right there were constantly wet and discolored.
Okay.
I've started using Clorox to try to keep it cut, and then it would flow out.
Over there.
And my husband and I, every time we take a shower, we'd have to wipe up the water from all over
here.
the bathroom.
Okay. And that was December 2019. I think you said you paid this guy $8,000 to do this.
Yes.
With the glass door, right?
Yes. Yes, he did.
And you had 2 other bids, correct?
Yes, we did. He was the lowest. We had the highest.
Must be that 8,000.
Well, you know, we didn't know what we were doing, and we thought, oh wow, $8,000. At that time, that sounded really good. And he said that he could do it immediately. We would not have to wait. I have an invalid mother, and I needed it done quickly.
Yeah, correct.
That's why we went with Jason.
Okay. And then the other 2 bids, I think you were like 17,000, something like that, or 16, 17?
The one in the middle was 17, and up at the top, it was, I believe it was 20 or 20. I'm kind of foggy here.
Over
20 or
20,000.
21.
Okay.
1,000, and yes.
Okay. With the curbless shower.
Absolutely.
Basically.
That's what we were looking for.
Got it.
Specifically.
But I went and took a look at it, and the first thing I noticed was you had some mold growing over here underneath the pan. Some cracks along the walls, corners over here. You have a really bad condition over here where I'm sure water hits over here and pulls up and probably gets caught up behind there and starts coming down the wall. That might be what caused this problem. This problem where the water was pooling is probably because it's a mud bed, or he did some type of a mud bed. With a curbless shower, I don't know how much mud he could possibly have done, but he just didn't have it sloped correctly. I've shown videos, and I'll link it, how we do shower repairs. This one's going to be a little bit more challenging because we also want to do the repair and have it be a curbless shower. So I have a video on that, how to do curbless showers. We're going to use a Schluter-Curdy system with the shower pan, the low profile. We're going to have to tear all this stuff out. We're going to take all this tile out over here because this is 2 years ago. They got this, I think, probably at Floor Decor or in one of the box stores, and they wouldn't have it anymore. That's 2 years ago. So what we're going to do is take it out all the way to here, to the mosaic, and that looks like a light Emperador marble, okay, which is a natural stone. That would be easy to get some kind of a tile that works with that, but we're still going to try and find something similar to this. But we're going to replace all that below. We're going to take the tile out, try to save about 1 inch or so of backer board over here so we can put the Schluter band across to waterproof it, right? And then we'll put the Schluter-Curdy fabric all the way down onto the Curdy pan. So then we'll have a true curbless shower. Now, as I've shown in other videos, well, first you can see over here, he came back, right, to install this.
Yes, this was his way of trying to keep it from flowing out into the bathroom.
That was his solution. He got a piece of acrylic up there. It actually just popped right out. Yeah. And obviously that's not going to work. Water is actually going through the grout. It's getting underneath the tile, and that's why it's staying wet over here. So this is not only properly sloped, but it looks like it's leveling off over here. And that's what's causing water to wash that way. So with Schluter, you actually have to extend the waterproofing 48 inches on center from the center of the drain beyond the shower. That means obviously we're going to have to cut the tile off, and we're going to basically put the Detra across the waterproofing membrane all the way across, and we're gonna retile with the same tile that we're gonna use for the shower floor. So what I'll do is I'll try to pick a color that's very close to the floor color or complementary to it, or maybe something that works with that and with the Curl Marfel or this tile. But anyway, nevertheless, I'm thinking a 2x2 tile. We'll extend that across. That will solve that problem. Around the corner by the baseboard, we're going to extend the Schluter Curdy tape around the corner, so that helps the waterproofing around the corner over here. And we'll just extend it all the way here to the casing, the door casing. Couple of things to note. If you notice the grab bar, you install it and it's kind of crooked. It's not kind of crooked, it is crooked. It's just not level. So we'll obviously fix that since all that's coming out. And this little soap dish was ridiculous that they put it so close over here. They can't even clean behind there. You see a little bit of mold already growing behind there. And that's probably what caused a lot of the problems with water getting trapped in there and getting behind and going down here and causing all that damage over there. So we'll fix all of that. We're going to put a shampoo niche. Once we open up the walls, find out where the cavities are, we'll find a space that we can put a shampoo niche, and we'll use the Schluter niche. It's a prefab that we can just tile onto that makes that niche waterproof, whether it be over here, maybe we have some space over here, or otherwise somewhere over there on the back wall. But we'll find a spot for it. That's basically it. That's how we're going to solve it, and we'll get started on it. Thanks, bye. So what happened here, this is the same job where I talked to Helen and she said she hired a guy to do a curbless shower. And I don't know if you remember, she had like a lot of leaking going on over here, all the water's coming out. So we started work today, and this is what we found. You can see something's odd's happening right here already. We started taking out the walls. We found the liner, and we started demoing the tile off the shower pan. And what we found out was there's another layer of tile below. So apparently the guy didn't replace the shower pan. He just completely did a cover up on the old shower. You see the shower pan over here, that's the original. All he did was get a knife and he cut it. So there's no water protection anymore. So all the water from this built up shower pan, which was the pebbles, was just leaking out into the main floor of the bathroom. So we were going to put a Schluter pan in here, and we still are. We're going to do the adapter kit that ties into the existing drain. I did not replace anything. He actually just did a cover up. We have to tear this out, which already in itself has another mud bed below it. So it's 2 layers of mud bed. And then we got to replace the entire drain and come back with a full system on the shower pan. But that's what happened. I guess the guy just wanted to do something quick, or he tried to get something over their head, trying to sneak something in. But obviously he cheated. It's unfortunate. Kind of sucks, but it's not going to be as simple as we thought it would be. But basically, it's just complete rebuild. That's what we're going to have to do. Okay. So anyway, I just want to shoot some video. Some of the things that people try to get away with, and this was one of those jobs. And that's why they had problems. That's why they have leaking. That's why they have water coming around, and all this water damage occurring. Jesse, you can focus over here. You can see he cut the pan. He cut the liner. That's all he did was cut it. So all water is just coming in past there, and you see all the mold and all that stuff growing, and that's what happened. Okay. Okay, just for a quick video, we're done with Helen's shower, and you can see what we did over here. We actually found a wall tile that's pretty close to the floor tile, not exact, but relatively close, and we were able to replace that tile with this over here, 12 by 24. So it matches with the tile above as far as the size goes. We relocated the niche. We positioned the grab bars in the proper position, 36 inches above the finished floor. And you can see it's a nice, smooth floor. Slopes evenly into the drain. We extended it beyond the shower a little bit, and we used the existing patterning of the floor tile to create a entry area. And the slope actually starts right here, okay, right over here, and the glass is in, so we don't have to have any of those plastic pieces that gets all that grime. The water will drain down, and you have at least 6 more inches of slope into the drain beyond the glass. We fixed the glass too. It wasn't closing properly. We got it positioned correctly. Where the other guy had the tile installed, he had this one bumping out a little bit, but we were able to position the glass so it clears that out as well. And other than that, it's pretty much done. So Helen's here, doesn't want to be on camera.
No, but I do want to say how very pleased I am with the wonderful work. Robert has a master tile person. Did
Mario?
a fantastic, oh yes, his name's Mario. He did a fantastic job. And I am really, really pleased that they were able to match up the colors to make it, you know, all fit together.
The floor tile actually goes really perfectly with the wallpaper. It's a multicolor travertine. It's got a little grays in there and ties in pretty nicely. And it helps create a little bit of a break into the shower area. Overall, I think it turned out pretty good. So, I don't know, Mario, what do you say? We're all good? Mario's in all my videos, pretty much. So if you watch all the other videos, you'll see me talking with Mario doing the work, and he's the one that did this job for me as well. He's been doing this for me for maybe 2001, so maybe that's like 21 years already.
We always recommend him.
Thank you. All right, bye-bye.